Odinga ne ochopo e romo noendo mar jokanyo mag duond buch siasa mar ODM mabende ne obagi kawuonende e alaponogo ma Jamhuri Grounds, kama bende ne okwayo jokanyo mag ODM mondo mi oyie olure tira koda dwaro mar duond bura nindo. Kane oloso e kinde romo ma kamano, Winnie Odinga ne oyango ni duond bura nindo ne olosi mar kedo ratiro mar jopiny, kabende ne ocholo kwayo mare mar dwaro mondo mi onyal luok duond bura nindo mondo mi odong' mano makedo ratiro mar Kenya duto.
Technology. And you know, Baba gave us a lesson that if
he feels that the party we have left her behind, we must create a new ODM that brings all these people on board. These stories that I'm saying reflect the struggles of millions of people in this country. When we talk about the new ODM that we envision, we want a party that opens doors and not closes them. We want a leadership that listens to our concerns and acts on our ideas. We want participation as young people that extends beyond rallies. We want to be involved and our voices shape decisions and negotiations. We want a decentralized power, empowering our branches and our grassroots. We want to revamp our youth league into a platform where young people can join to shape and share policy. We want to hold our leaders accountable. We want a new ODM. As I stand here from Nairobi, and thank you to Nairobi for always standing with me, I don't underplay the victims of this maandamano. We cannot overlook that reality. We cannot be a party that does not care about the struggles that we have come through. We want a new ODM. So I want to stand here and state clearly, the new ODM must be tool to work for young people. Our systems must work for our young people. Our young people are demanding their rightful space on this table. I say this with the utmost humility because we must create space for these people instead of only calling them when we want them to shout. So therefore, as we finish the part of this, one thing I'm going to ask for is a spirit of reconciliation, a spirit of understanding, a spirit of listening, a spirit that does not chase away, that does not force out, a spirit that opens and lets us in. We want space, we want a face for ODM.